Welcome back to the PLG 123. Today we're talking about Softr. Let's dive in. Softr is one of the most loved products on Product Hunt in the last 2 years. They've won Product of the Day, Week, and Month for nearly every launch they've had, and they also won the Golden Kitty for Product of the Year in 2021. So, what is Softr and why is everyone on Product Hunt so excited about it? Well, Softr is a no-code app building platform, and if you've spent any time on Product Hunt in the last few years, you know that low-code and no-code products are a dime a dozen. So it certainly isn't mere novelty that's driving Softr's success. What's unique about Softr is how they combine a powerful back-end with an intuitive front-end in a way that actually delivers on the promise of no code to build internal and external apps for real business use cases. Softr started with a single back-end data source, Airtable, but they've recently added support for Google Sheets with many other data sources on the way. You can also connect other apps like Stripe, Intercom, and Zapier for added functionality. And unlike Retool, which is built for developers, Softr can be used by any non-technical business user under the sun. The front-end builder experience offers the ease of a drag-and-drop editor like you'd find in Wix or Squarespace. But while those platforms are great for building static websites, Softr lets you build dynamic web and mobile apps powered by real-time data. For example, a team wiki, an employee directory, a client portal, a community website, or even a marketplace or an e-commerce store. The last thing to note here is Softr's emphasis on community-led growth to complement its core PLG strategy. They've got community support, experts for hire from the community, a community-powered template marketplace like you'd expect from a PLG horizontal platform, and an upcoming component marketplace to boot. And beyond the user community, Softr has surrounded itself with an absolute who's who roster of PLG investors and advisors. So go check out Softr and make an app and join their movement to build the Canva of web and mobile apps. Well, that does it for today on the PLG 123. Make sure to follow me for more videos featuring VC perspectives on today's top stories.